Whisper chipper, you're right. There's nothing about this thing that whispers. This is the loudest piece of equipment I've ever run in my life. You're about to find out what I'm talking about. Newest investment here at the sawmill, a wood chipper. If you're looking for an Altec DC12 chipper online, good luck. Can't find anything about them. So I'm going to tell you about them now. I got this one from a local man. Apparently it was never used because it's only got 5 hours on it. It's a 1997 model DC12. It had this crazy fancy electric governor on there, and somebody had removed it. So what I did is I just bypassed that and put a manual throttle on, just a short throttle cable. You can pull it out and lock it down. Yeah, it's a direct drive chipper. You throw it in through here. Obviously you wouldn't do this while it's running, but the cool thing is you throw it through there and it grabs them and pulls them on through, chips them and blows it out the chute. Let's go run some sawmill waste through this thing. It's pretty awesome to do on a Friday. So what I didn't know before is that this thing will sling these chips like 50 to 100 feet. When I first ran it, it was shooting them up in the canopy and it was raining chips. It was crazy. Put my backhoe bucket up there to deflect them, so it'll blow it into the bucket and then run down and fall and gather into a little pile here. All right, let's see if this baby's gonna crank. All clear. Thank you for watching. I think that's a pretty good investment, because usually a bunch of waste here, you get so high you couldn't even throw more waste on it. So now we're going to turn it into chips and maybe make compost, put it around your house, you know, build up the sand, just doing what you can with what you got. Good purchase, good purchase.